Today, I am sharing beef resha kebab recipe. I am sure you will love it. Let's start the process of making soft and juicy beef resha kebab. First, in a pressure cooker, boil 600 grams beef, 70 grams chopped onion, 10 to 12 pieces of garlic cloves, 10 grams whole red chili, 200 grams dal chana that was soaked for 1 hour, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 500 milliliters water, 5 cloves, 2 large cardamoms, 1 large piece cinnamon, and 1 leaf of tezpat. First cook for 10 minutes at high flame and then for 15 minutes at medium flame. While these contents are being boiled, grind 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 teaspoon jeera, half a teaspoon black pepper, 3 pieces of green cardamom, and small piece of jalvatri and jafal in a grinder, which will be added to the cooked material later on. Also crush few pieces of ginger to be added later on. When 10 to 15 minutes of cooking is complete, turn off the flame and let the steam release before opening the pot. Remove tezpat leaf, black cardamom pieces and cinnamon stick. Add grinded, dry masala and start mashing the boiled material to make it a semi-fine mixture. Add crushed ginger, mix, and shift in a bowl to set aside. As the kebab material cools down to normal temperature, refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, or when you plan to make kebab, first add 4 chopped green chilies, handful chopped mint leaves, and 2 tablespoons yogurt. Mix well and then make kebab as you are seeing in this video. Doesn't it look easy and perfect? Dip each kebab in an egg batter like this and fry on a medium flame. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty recipes.